In this section, we are going to study about how to open an existing file that we already stored in our system. In the last class, we stored Sana's poem in document folder. Do you remember? Today we are going to open that file. Are you ready? Children, please follow these steps to open Sana's poem. First, you open Microsoft Word. Do you remember how to open Microsoft Word? Yes. Click on this. This is taskbar. You can use this icon or you can use this icon to open Microsoft Word. I am going to click on this word icon on this taskbar. Just click there. Now we are going to open Sana's poem that already stored in our system. First you have to click on this file tab. Click there. Then select open button. Now an open pan will appear on the screen. Here you can see the little things that we store in our system in recent document. Otherwise, you have to click on this computer. Click on this documents. Here you can see that file called little things. Click there and click on this open button. Look here, this is open button. Click there. We got that file. Okay. Then say how to open an existing file that we store in our system. Click on this file tab, click on this open, then click on this computer and click on this document. Okay, little things, click on this open button. Okay, don't forget. The shortcut key for open an existing file is Ctrl+O. Don't forget. You can use Ctrl+O key to open an existing file. That is the shortcut key of open an existing file. Okay. The next option is how to pin a document. Do you know what is the use of pin a document option? Using pin a document option, you can access your favorite file very easily. Okay, follow these steps to pin your document. First you open Microsoft Word. Then I am going to pin this document. For that you have to click on this file tab. Click on this open. Here you can see little things, our file, our document. Just click on this button. This button is used to pin your document. Okay. Just click there. If you frequently want to open a specific file, you can pin it to the list. By doing so, that document always remains on the recent document list. Look, if you don't want this file, you can unpin this document. If you don't want this file, just click on this pin document icon again. Now it is not pinned. Okay. If you click on this pin button, you can see a pin icon here. Look, if you don't want to pin this file, just click again on this button. Now we cannot see that icon here. Look, if you click on this pin button, you can see a pin here. Look. If you don't want this, just click again. Now you can't see that pin. Okay. Children, remember that if you frequently want to open your favorite file, you just pin that document. Okay. Children, the next is previewing and printing a document. After finishing a document, if you want to print a document, follow these steps. First, you have to click on this File tab. Here you can see Print option. Click here. This is Preview option. What is the use of this Preview option? Children, before printing a document, you have to check whether there is any spelling mistake or layout mistake here. You can correct that, and after correction, you just click on this print button. This is print button. Before clicking this, you have to connect your system with a printer. I don't have any printer, so I am not clicking in this print option. Okay? If you have a printer, you just click on this print button. You will get the printout of this document. Okay? Then the shortcut key to print a document is, the topic is how to close a document. Are you ready? You can close this document by different methods. The first method is click on this File tab and click on this Close button. If you forget to save a document, a dialog box will appear like this. Here you can choose Save or Don't Save option. If you want to save your document, just click here. If you don't want to save this document, click on this Don't Save button. Okay? If you don't want to do anything, you can use Cancel button to come back to our document. Okay? If you want to save this document, click on this Save button. Now that file closed. Okay? The second step to close the document is click on this X button that's situated on the extreme top right corner of the window. Okay? Now that file is closed. Okay? Otherwise, you can use the shortcut key to close a document is Ctrl plus W. Okay? Now also that file is closed. Do you understand? You can use 3 ways to close that document. First, click on this File tab and click on this Close button. Again, click on this X button, or again click on Ctrl plus W button. Okay, students, now we are going to study about the buttons in the title bar. Look, this is the title bar. Here we can see 3 buttons in the extreme right side. Look, the first is Minimize button. This is Minimize button. Look, it is used to minimize the window to the taskbar. If you click here, it will minimize this window to the taskbar. Look, here we can see the minimized file. Click there. The next is Maximize or Restore button. This is Restore button. It is used to reduce the window. It is used to reduce the size of the window. Look, this is the reduced form of the window. Then that button turn to Maximize button. If you click on this button, what happens? That Maximize button is used to enlarge the window to the full screen. Look, now it is in full screen. If you click on this Restore button, it will reduce the size. If you click on this Maximize button, it will enlarge the window. Understood? The last button is Close button. Do you know what is the use of this Close button? Yes, it will close the window, or it is used to close an application. Bye.
Children, what did we learn today? Yes, today we learned about how to open a document, how to pin a document, and how to print a document. At last, we studied about how to close a document. Do you remember? That's enough for today's class. Take care. See you in the next class. Bye.